33,000 people decided to leave their opinion on one single product. Think about that for a second. That is an entire stadium full of reviews for a little piece of gold-colored jelly you stick under your eye. It all started with just 600 bucks. A guy in Vancouver, named Adi Guaya, took a tiny bit of cash and a dream about foot masks and turned it into an $85 million empire. This is not some fly-by-night operation. This is the heavy hitter of the beauty aisle. The one you see everywhere from your social media feed to the shelves of the biggest big box retailers in the country. But the price tag is where the psychological game really starts. They tell you it is $40 for a pack. But let's be real, it is almost never $40. You find them for 16 bucks on any given Tuesday, making each treatment cost less than a cup of cheap coffee. It feels like a total steal, right? We are talking about 67 cents to fix your face before a big meeting or a night out. The ingredients look solid on the surface. Glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, even some sea moss powder. It sounds like a healthy salad for your skin cells. But there is a catch. Because there is always a catch when things seem too good to be true. The environmental working group took a look at these and they were not exactly thrilled. They flagged them for potential allergies and issues. Some people feel a sting, a little tingle that is definitely not part of the relaxing spa experience you are promised. That is usually the propylene glycol talking to your sensitive skin, and it can be a real irritant for a lot of people. And then there are the colors. The gold, the pink, the blue, the purple. They want you to think you are getting a tailored treatment for every single mood. One for energy, one for moisture, one for glowing, one for restoration. But when you look at the actual fine print on the back of the box, the lists are practically clones of each other. It is mostly just food coloring and aesthetic marketing magic. The real secret here isn't the gold or the vegetable protein, it is the cold. These hydrogel patches work because they are physically cool to the touch. That cooling effect is what actually brings down the swelling after a long night or a lack of sleep. It is a temporary fix. A quick espresso shot for your eyes. It lasts for a few hours. And then the reality of your skin sets back in. If you want real change, if you want to actually move the needle on fine lines, you need the heavy hitters like retinoids and vitamin C used over months of time. These masks are a ritual. They are a pre-party boost. They are fun to wear, but they are not a miracle cure. They are a 67-cent band-aid for your tired face. You pay for the experience. The 20 minutes of sitting still with your eyes closed, the feeling of doing something nice for yourself. That has mental value. But do not expect it to erase a decade of late nights or sun damage. It is about knowing the difference between a real medical result and a very clever marketing campaign that has been polished to perfection. This brand is a massive success because they know how to sell a feeling. They know how to make you feel like you are indulging in luxury without breaking the bank. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. Use them for the hydration. Use them for the cooling sensation. But don't expect them to change your DNA. Stay sharp out there, and look past the gold glitter to see what is actually happening on your skin.